Hi guys, welcome back to Humble Kids.
And in today's video, we're gonna be working out. Today we ran up. Well, basically, what we're gonna do for workout is we start up the workout with some exercises like we do every workout, and then we're gonna start running up the hill. We ran up the hill 10 times, 10 rounds actually, and we did 10 push-ups, and then we switched it over to burpees. So right here, all we're doing is high knees and just doing a couple of exercises. But yeah, you also get to see Marcus a part of the video too. He ran with us, and then we started lunges. But this is before it got all windy. It was pretty normal outside when we first started stretching.
Yeah, it was a nice sunny day, and it was a little windy, but it wasn't that windy. We were just warming up, and now we're doing sumo squats.
Sumo squats.
Just keep going and going. Then after this, I think we do side shuffle hops or crossovers. And then we end the warm up with the sprint. Then you'll see what happens after that. And then we ended our sumo squat. And you see my shadow. And we're doing Mario's. And you couldn't tell because I was jumping. We were doing Mario's, and then we did back pedal. That's why we're facing backwards. That's what Michael looked like when he was doing it. You don't saw my legs because I was holding the camera. The weather's still normal. It got a little bit darker, but that was it. And then, what did we do after this? We did side shuffle hops. And after our warm up, we did crossovers. And you could just see me holding the camera facing me, but it was hard to tell because I was holding it backwards. And it's Michael. And then we're going back now. And yeah, I'm just talking to the camera and just telling you guys.
The voiceover is going to be a little bit short because we have a lot of talking in the video, but we're probably just going to talk over the loud wind.
And then I think we're going to do
I
think we're doing a sprint now. Yeah, the camera was a little shaky, but at the end it got a little bit good. I don't know. And then we went to get some water.
Jeez, this video is gonna be very short.
And then
it's 7 minutes. But yeah, I think what we're gonna do is probably gonna cut the voiceover off from here because there's a lot of talking in the background, so you guys can hear us actually talking. But yeah, you guys will get to have an outro also. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, but keep enjoying because there's like 3 more minutes of this.
Anyway. Oh my gosh. And there's gonna be so many stickers. And we brought Marcus. I don't know if you saw him, but he said, let me give you a nice introduction, Marcus. Look at him in his tiny feet. Okay. that hill. You might not get this hill, but wait till we get there. There's just a whole bunch of animals in there. There's rabbits. I know because when we went to watch Marcus one time, he almost threw me off the cliff of the hill because he was chasing a rabbit. Maybe it was a squirrel. I can't remember. Now look, you can see the tennis court from down there. Oh my gosh, look at all these stickers. This is so windy. Guys, welcome back to Humble Kids. And in today's video, we worked out again. We're on a hill, and then Marcus was there too. Say hi, Marcus.
Look, that's our dog. He worked out with us. He ran a couple times. He was really fast. But then we got attacked by a sandstorm, which you'll get to see in the video. And I used my dad as my human shield. Smart, quick IQ.
Yeah, it got my hair, and it hurt so bad because the wind was so fast, and the sound was like hitting us. It was like, shh, blah.
And more was coming on its way, so we had to hurry up and finish. And that's when we finished.
And we ran it down the hill, and then we ran. Yeah, and Marcus was laughing at us the whole time.
Yeah, because I don't think he saw anything.
No. And he almost stepped on me like 3 times. It was crazy.
Yeah, but we hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hope you guys
Like, subscribe, follow our Instagram. Yeah.